Farming question? No problem. Open your AGvisorPRO app. Select a category and a subcategory that fits your question and type away. Hit send. Now the experts can see your question. That red dot? It means experts have replied. Review the replies and choose an expert to chat with. You're kept anonymous until you reply. If texting your expert isn't enough, instantly start a video call or schedule one for later. Getting answers now is just that easy with AGvisorPRO. Curious to know what the experts see? They can view all incoming questions submitted by app users and choose to pass on or answer them. This means many experts will see your anonymous question, so you're likely to get multiple responses. The expert you choose gets notified when you reply to them. They can see who you are and keep the conversation going. Sometimes all it takes is a few texts back and forth to get your answer. Other times, a face-to-face session is needed. The expert instantly sees when you're requesting a video call and can choose to accept or schedule one with you at a later time. The expert brought to your farm when and where you need them. AGvisorPRO. Answers now.